Oh, friends, listen to that. Do you hear it? That is the sound of the ocean. Hello, friends. I am Emma, and today I am in Malaysia, a beautiful new country. I am on a tropical island. Can you believe it? White sandy beaches, crystal clear blue water, tall coconut trees, and warm sunshine everywhere. Today, we will explore the beach, find some seashells, swim in the ocean, and learn so many new words. Are you ready for a beach adventure? I am so ready. Let's go! First, let's learn today's words. Listen carefully. Number 1. Island. An island is land with water all around it. This island is in the ocean. Number 2. Beach. A beach is the sandy place next to the ocean. We are standing on the beach right now. Number 3. Sand. Sand is the soft yellow ground at the beach. It is so soft under my feet. Number 4. Wave. A wave is water that moves up and down in the ocean. Listen, the waves go crash, crash, crash. Number 5. Seashell. A seashell is the hard, pretty home of a small sea animal. Some shells are white, some are pink, some are brown. Number 6. Coconut. A coconut is a big, round, brown fruit with white inside and sweet water to drink. It grows on coconut trees. Number 7. Crystal clear. Crystal clear means very, very clean. You can see right through it. The ocean water here is crystal clear. Number 8. Snorkel. A snorkel is a tube you use to breathe under the water while you look at the fish. Number 9. Reef. A reef is a home made of coral under the water where many fish live. It is like an underwater city. Number 10. Paradise. Paradise is a perfect, beautiful place. This island is paradise. Great job! Now we have 10 island words. Let's explore. Okay, friends, I arrived by boat this morning. The boat ride was so exciting. We went fast over the water, up and down, up and down. The wind blew in my hair, and the ocean spray touched my face. And then I saw it, a green island in the middle of the blue, blue ocean. The island is so beautiful. Say it. The island is so beautiful. As the boat came closer, I could see everything. The white sand, the green palm trees, the little wooden houses. It looked like a picture from a storybook. The boat stopped. I jumped out onto the soft sand and I thought, Emma, you are in paradise. Okay, friends, walk with me along the beach. Look down at your feet. The sand is so soft. Say it. The sand is so soft. The sand here is white and fine. It feels like powder. Every step I take leaves a little footprint. Look, my footprints go all the way behind me. Oh, friends, look down here. Do you see those pretty shapes on the sand? Seashells. So many seashells. White ones, pink ones, brown ones, and little curly ones. They were once homes for small sea animals, and now the ocean has given them to us as gifts. I found a seashell. Say it. I found a seashell. Look at this one. It is pink on the inside and it shines in the sun. I'm going to keep it forever. I will put it in my pocket and take it home. Now, friends, the moment I have been waiting for. Time to swim. I am putting on my snorkel mask. It fits over my eyes and my nose, and this tube lets me breathe while my face is under the water. Come with me slowly into the ocean. Oh, the water is warm, not cold at all. The water is crystal clear. Say it. The water is crystal clear. I can see right through it, all the way to the bottom. I can see the sand, the rocks, and oh, fish! So many colorful fish. Red ones, yellow ones, blue and silver ones. They are swimming all around me. One just touched my hand. And look down there. Do you see the coral? That is a reef. It is like a colorful underwater garden, and the fish live there like neighbors in a little city. The reef is full of life. Say it. The reef is full of life. Okay, friends, I am back on the beach, and after all that swimming, I am so thirsty. Look, there is a small shop under the palm trees, and the man there is opening a big green coconut with a big knife. He gives me the coconut with a straw inside. I take a sip. The water is so sweet and fresh. It is nature's own drink. The coconut is so tasty. Say it. The coconut is so tasty. Coconut water is full of good things for your body. And when I finish drinking, the man cuts the coconut open and I eat the soft white part inside with a little spoon. It is so creamy and sweet. Eating a fresh coconut on a beach in Malaysia, this really is paradise. Friends, look at the sky. The sun is going down. The whole sky is turning orange and pink and gold. The sun is slowly sinking into the ocean, and the water is shining like a mirror of gold. The sunset is so beautiful. Say it. The sunset is so beautiful. The waves are getting softer now. The air is cool. I am sitting on the warm sand, watching the colors change, and I feel so happy and so peaceful. This beach is paradise. Say it with me. This beach is paradise. I think this is the most beautiful place I have ever seen. Malaysia, you are wonderful. Okay, friends, let's practice together. I say the beginning, you finish it. Ready? The island is so beautiful. The island is so beautiful. Yes. The sand is so. The sand is so soft. Good. I found a. Seashell. I found a seashell. Well done. The water is crystal. Clear. The water is crystal clear. Yes. The reef is full of. Life. The reef is full of life. Great. The coconut is so. Tasty. The coconut is so tasty. Good. The sunset is so. Beautiful. The sunset is so beautiful. Yes. This beach is. Paradise. This beach is paradise. Excellent. You did great. High five. Quiz time. Pay attention. Emma is on a tropical island. Which country is she in? Is it A. Thailand, B. Malaysia, C. Vietnam? The answer is B. Malaysia. Emma is exploring a beautiful Malaysian island. What does crystal clear mean? Is it A. Very dirty, B. Very clean, you can see through it, C. Very cold? The answer is B. Very clean, you can see through it. Crystal clear water is water you can see through. What did Emma find on the beach? Is it A. Seashells, B. Shoes, C. Toys? The answer is A. Seashells. Emma found beautiful seashells on the sand. 3 out of 3? You are an island expert. Let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned 10 island words. Island, beach, sand, wave, seashell, coconut, crystal clear, snorkel, reef, and paradise. We said the water is crystal clear. We said the sand is so soft. We said this beach is paradise. You did a wonderful job. I am so proud of you. And next time, we are going to a Malaysian night market. The sun goes down and the streets fill with food stalls, colorful lights, and the most delicious smells. We will taste new foods, learn food words, and have a delicious adventure together. I cannot wait. But for now, your homework: tell someone at home 3 things you saw at the beach today. Thanks for watching. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.